Foiled by some cows yet again. Oh, come on. This is indeed cow country. I am in Vingelen and I am going for a drive inwards these old mountain roads, and I'm curious of what I can find. As you can see, it's a bit wet today, but it's been coming and going, so I'm hoping for some really nice light today and for the rain to stop as well. So join me as we are going for a little drive and explore these wonderful parts. This is an incredible, beautiful place and I can't wait to show you. So come along. We got 7 seconds left of our first exposure. So I'm running 1 minute exposure on this river with the black clouds in the background. That's right. I am married now, and thank you for all those well wishes on my last video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see if it turned out well, shall we? The image looks sharp and it's quite moody, and I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm looking for. Looking for something else. Something I haven't photographed before. Yeah, I know that I photographed the creek, but that's a must. I always have to photograph the creek. I can't drive past a creek without taking a picture of it. It's just not humanly possible. At least not for me. What I am looking for, I'm looking for something that sticks out up here. Looking for something else. Different. Well, it started to rain. No biggie. Little fun fact. This is bear country. And wolf country and moose country. But if we're really, really lucky, we might be able to see one of those things. Also fly country. Well, I just got really lucky. After the rain stopped about 10 minutes ago, I continued to drive and I found this beautiful S-shaped river that moves inwards towards the landscape around here, and I absolutely love this. I've set up using an ND graduated filter and I'm looking straight ahead inwards the landscape. The clouds are great. There are some signs of blue skies as well, but not in this picture. It's really moody and I really like it. So here we go. I'm shooting at f8 and I just really like this one. Look at those clouds. It's a simple image, but sometimes simple is the best. Just a road and emptiness. And I absolutely love it. So I'm going for moody. And this certainly is moody. So here we go. Still using the ND graduated filter. Perfect. Ooh. Yeah, the rain is a bit heavy at the moment, but I remain optimistic. Currently now stuck in the back of my van, just waiting for the rain to stop. Yeah, it's really pouring down. Really? This trip didn't exactly turn out the way I hoped, but I had a great time nonetheless. I battled with some cows and I won. Mosquitoes. Alright, I give up. It's too much rain, it's too wet. Yeah, this has been me reporting from Vingelen, and I hope you enjoyed this little film, and I hope you enjoyed the pictures as well. And like and subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram as well if you want. So I'll see you in about a week. Until then, goodbye. So apparently I did very well for my first time on a horse. So we are right at this monastery. It's a bit up in the mountains. So I'm gonna set up and try to get a nice shot of this magnificent little place.